Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with us a very delicious light ogbono soup recipe, and trust me, it's a soup for the weather and it's a beautiful soup that you will love to cook. If you live in the diaspora, you know it's very cold right now, especially here in the US. So I want to cook light soup, ogbono soup without vegetables. Come on guys, let's do this. For this ogbono soup recipe, I'm using tilapia fish, mackerel fish and bonga fish. Clean your fishes and set them aside. I'm going to rinse this water out now. I went ahead to soak my tilapia fish with vinegar, salt and water. I also added lime, okay? It's your choice to add, it's your choice not to. I like to get rid of the smell with lemon and lime, vinegar, salt and water. So all you need to do is to make sure you clean your fish nicely the way you like to clean your fish and set it aside. Set your fishes aside. I've grilled my mackerel fish and my bonga fish. Get your onion ready and get your peppers ready. Here I have garlic, ginger, onion, and some scotch bonnet peppers, okay? And one tatashe. I'm going to be adding this to the fish. So to my pot, I have boiling water. Just go ahead and boil your water, especially if you're making fish. Remember, we are making ogbono soup. This is fish recipe without vegetables. So I'm going to add my fish right away. I'm going to add our fish. You can also add black peppercorn to your pepper blend, because I have a pepper blend that has all the herbs that I like to use for this recipe. Go ahead and mix it together with your black peppercorn. Add some cloves if you like to, and add it to the fish also. My pepper blend is ready. I'm going to go in with my blended peppers. Here I have another blended peppers that contains herbs. I like to add it because I want that taste, that flavor of herbs. I want to add it in. I have green chilies, I have red bell pepper, ginger, garlic, onion, yellow onion and red onion, and some tomatoes. I'll call this ogbono soup pepper soup ogbono soup because it has all the pepper soup ingredients in it. It has cloves, it has black peppercorn, it has ehuru, it has oda. It also has some fresh turmeric. I use this for pepper soup recipe. Season your fish to your preference. I'll always ask that you be gentle with your salt. Go in with your salt. Add it in like so. Now go in with your sliced or diced onion. Cover it and allow it to cook. We are going to let it cook for just 5 minutes, guys. Remember, our water was properly boiled before we added the fish. Our fish is ready. Yeah, I want to remove this. It's ready for me. Yep. This is what I'm looking at. Yeah, I want to still pick it from the soup. Yeah, it's well seasoned, very delicious. Look at that. Yeah, tilapia ogbono soup recipe. This is just fish ogbono soup recipe. This is so beautiful and delicious. Delicious way to boil your fish. We are going to add this very tilapia fish lastly in the soup because we still want to pick some tilapia fish in the soup. I'm going to add some ogbono here. We are going to mix our ogbono in this bowl. I want a very light ogbono with a lot. We're going to add our oil. This is a very good method. So go ahead, mix it in very nicely. This is old school. Yeah, we are doing old school method, and it's a perfect method for ogbono soup recipe. This way how our mothers made ogbono soup, and it will draw very well, and you're going to love the way your ogbono soup will look when it's cooked. So just go ahead and mix your ogbono here, and make sure you mix until it doesn't have any lumps. Sometimes it's hard to break in, but it is still okay. But once you have mixed it, when you add it to the pot, it's going to melt up very well. Just break in all the ogbono. Just break it in if you can. Okay, open up your pot, go in with your ogbono. 5 minutes later, guys, look at this ogbono soup. I think it's a little thick. I want it to be light. Mix until all the lumps is, melted in the soup. Make sure everything has melted in. Make sure there's no lumps. As you can see, I think I should add some water, guys. What do you think? This is too thick for what I want. This is weather ogbono soup recipe. This recipe is for the weather. I'm going to add some water before I add other. Guys, it's too thick for me. I'm going to add some water. So go in with some water. I don't want it thick. I want it light. This ogbono soup is for the weather. At this point, my mackerel fish is nicely cleaned. I'm going to add my mackerel fish like so. You can add any fish of your choice, red snapper fish or any fish of your choice. Guys, this is good. This is exactly what I'm looking for. Now you can go ahead and add everything you want to add. Crayfish pepper. If you want to add more peppers, you can go ahead. It's so well seasoned, so delicious. Oh my goodness, this is so good. So here's my bonga fish, well deboned and well cleaned. I'm going to add bonga fish to this soup. So I'm going to add my bonga fish. Bonga fish is a very delicious fish and you can use it for any soup recipe. It will bring out nice taste from your soup. I usually grind this together with my crayfish. Yeah, this is bonga fish. I like to add it to my crayfish. I have it in my crayfish, which I'll be going in with here with some big prawns. It makes your soup come out very delicious, guys. If you make your soup this way, trust me, you are going to enjoy it. Look at that. So I'm going to go in with my crayfish. This is going to be very, very delicious, guys. I'm going to go in with some pepper, guys. This is fish. This is fish, so you need some pepper. You can either choose to go in with okpe or locust bean. This is locust beans. This is what I want. I have craved for this recipe, guys. We're going to mix this together so everything will be well combined and allow it to cool before we add our boiled fish. Like, guys, this is what I am craving for. Light ogbono soup without vegetable. This is so good. This is for Gucci's. This is not hubby because hubby likes vegetables. I like vegetables though, but sometimes you just crave for that old school. So this is what I crave for. I'm going to cover it up and allow it to cook nicely. Okay, I hope you are enjoying this video. Please give it a massive thumbs up. Like this video. Please share to your family, friends and loved ones. This is ogbono soup for the weather. Beautiful and delicious with all of those herbs. It has black peppercorn, it has garlic, it has ginger, it has turmeric, it has onion, yellow and red onion. It has all of those herbs that you can just use for your regular pepper soup. Yes, that is how I like it. And I have scotch bonnet pepper. I went in with more pepper. If you like, don't add extra pepper, but this is what I feel like because the weather is weathering around here. Stay tuned. Let's add our fish, guys. Oh my goodness, this is so good. This is so good. Tilapia fish is very good for this recipe. You can use any fish of your choice. Like I said, you can use red snapper fish, you can use whatever fish of your choice. Trust me, you will really love it. This is beautiful. My husband will eat this tilapia fish because he loves fresh fish. I'm going to go ahead and add some of this mackerel. I have some of this mackerel grilled already. I think I should go ahead and add more. Okay, You can also boil your mackerel fish if you like. I do not like to eat mackerel fish boiled. I rather grill my mackerel fish or any fish that I love to eat than boil it. I just want some more fish. I don't want to lack fish here. So there has to be enough fish for Gucci's. This is my own soup. Honestly speaking, I crave for it. Yeah, tilapia fish is for my husband, while the mackerel fish is for me. I don't know why there are some fresh fish that I don't eat, but I make them though. This is the last one. I'm trying to make sure I don't mess everywhere up. Guys, everything here is good. The only thing I want to do is to add some more fresh peppers. Honestly, maybe some more fresh peppers or some Cameroon peppers. I'll add Cameroon pepper. Too delicious. Too delicious. Trust me. Is this something you want to try? Let me know in the comment section. Our soup is actually ready, but I just went in with some pepper, guys. If you don't eat pepper, skip it completely. Don't try to eat pepper because Gucci's added pepper. Try not to eat pepper if you don't eat pepper. Some people cannot stand pepper, but honestly, I can't eat this kind of soup without pepper because it is fish all through. So I'm going to allow it to cook. Let's just make sure everything is well combined. This is the consistency. Yeah, this is good. It's a good consistency. And yeah, I'm going to let it cook for about 5 minutes, guys, and then we are done. But not completely. You can also feed children with this soup. Yeah, if you want them to start eating fufu. It is also children-friendly soup. What are you going to be pairing this soup with? You can pair it with pounded yam, you can pair it with oatmeal fufu, you can pair it with gari, yellow gari especially, honestly. Oh my goodness, you can even pair it with starch. Oh my goodness, I'm going to show you how to make starch fufu very soon with a very delicious beanie soup, okay? I hope you're going to try this. Gucci's team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. Guys, I cannot wait to dive into this soup. Look at how beautiful. Oh my goodness. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. We are pairing it with oatmeal fufu. I love it. Oatmeal fufu. I'll be eating with oatmeal fufu. Soup. This is how I like it. This is how I like it. Just the way I like it. Just the way I like it. Come on, eat. Guys, this is so good. This soup is so divine. My favorite fish is Titus. I'm trying the tilapia. So good. Guys, this is the tilapia. I don't know why I cannot eat fresh fish. But I cook it though. And my family eats it, but I do not like it. I don't know why. Except if I bake it. But if I cook it fresh, I feel like I'm throwing up when I eat it. But I'm going to eat this one because this soup is very spicy. Trust me. If you haven't tried Ogbono soup with tilapia fish, go and try it. This is very good. Very yum. It's so good, guys. So good. I hope you try this out. Thank you all so much for watching, and God bless you mightily. Ciao, ciao. See you in another beautiful